guys, let me just sit you down right here. Welcome to the first vlog of 2022. I said this year I would vlog more, so here we are. So I have a lot planned today. I am going to get my nails done, and then I want to do a lot of organizing in my kitchen. I've done 2 organization videos so far on my channel. The first one was on my spices and the second one was on my pantry. I think I filmed those 2 over a year ago, so that is really the last time that I have organized my kitchen. Comment down below if you are like me, but nothing relaxes me more than decluttering and organizing. It's just so satisfying, and it's something I could just do every day. There will be many more vlogs this year on my channel. I am finally done school. I don't know if I've talked about this on my channel so far. I know I announced it on Instagram and everything, but last semester I graduated from university in nursing, so now I will have so much more time on my hands to vlog for you guys. Next Monday though, I am starting a new job. We have a lot to discuss. A lot has changed in my life. Maybe I need to like put life update into this title, but basically next week I am starting my new job. I will be working 3 days a week with kids at a clinic, and then I will be working 1 to 2 days a week in my aesthetic nursing. Basically, I am growing my clientele, so as my clientele grows, I will be adding on more days throughout the week. And yeah, so I am starting to work full-time, so it's gonna start getting hectic again, but I'm just so excited that finally I can just live my dream life and just be a YouTuber and a nurse. No more school. I can finally just focus on work, which I absolutely love. By the way, this coffee is amazing. It's amazing. It's the almond flavor from Nespresso. If you haven't tried it already, go grab it. I don't know, I believe it might have been the holiday collection, so I'm not sure if it's still available, but it's amazing. And also, how cute is this cup? I got it from Amazon. I'll link it down below for you guys if you'd like. So yeah, I'm just gonna get some laptop work done, and I will catch you guys later to go do my nails. I'm back from the nail salon. I am obsessed with my nails, you guys. They are just so natural and perfect, especially for my new job. I wanted shorter nails, and she really did them exactly how I wanted them. I love them. I'm so obsessed. They're so natural, but at the same time, the little hearts give a little oomph. I love doing them a natural color like this because my nails grow so fast. Already a week later, you already start to see a gap. So at least this way it doesn't show as much. So now we are going to head downstairs to do some organizing. I'm so excited. I've been really looking forward to this. But first I want to put a bit of makeup on for 2 reasons. Number 1, because I've looked like poop all day for you guys, so I want to look a little put together. But also because I want to start practicing like a 5-minute makeup routine. My makeup routine is very minimal, but it still takes me like 10 minutes to do, and especially for my new job early in the morning, I just don't have that time to start, you know, putting a bunch of makeup on. So I'm gonna try to perfect a good 5-minute makeup routine that I can do that is just quick and just makes you look put together right away. And I also got the new Rare Beauty liquid blush, so I really want to test this out for you guys and see if the hype is real. I know everyone loves these. This is my first Rare Beauty product I'm ever trying, and I absolutely love Selena Gomez, not only because she's an amazing singer, but she's just an amazing person. So I definitely want to support her brand. My beauty blender isn't wet. I hate that feeling. I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I'm not even gonna talk to you guys. I really want to see, you know, how long it's gonna take me. It's currently 2:15, so by around 2:20 I should be done. How cute are these clips? I got a set of 3 from Amazon. I'll link them down below. supposed to use this exactly? With a brush or with my beauty blender? Please let me know. I'm not even sure how much to put. I guess I'll start with that. I'm gonna use this, I guess. Ooh, that is pigmented. Definitely blends very nicely. It's already 2:18. I'm supposed to only have 2 minutes left. I've seen people put blush and not even bronzer, so maybe that's a step I can skip if I'm doing this. It's definitely very pigmented. Ooh, that's all. I am looking pink. Put some on my lids. I think I like it, you guys. The more I blend it out, the more it's really settling in. I don't know if it's the sponge just soaking up all the product, but honestly, this is looking really cute. It already passed the time. A little trick for you guys, if you ever get mascara on your lid, just take a little spoolie when it dried and it'll come right off. Okay, so that took me 8 minutes. Definitely needs some improvement. I really don't want it to take more than 5. I think it's really the blush that took the most time because it was my first time, you know, using it. So I did put a bit too much, so I now know that if you put a little bit less, maybe it'll take me less time to blend in. And there you have it, a 9-minute makeup look. Now let's head downstairs and we are going to organize the kitchen. Wow, I really need to get my bangs cut. We have made it down to the kitchen, so now I'm about to show you the before. Please don't judge me. It really needs to be organized, okay? Okay guys, here it is. So this is basically my little pantry. This is where I keep all of my healthy supplements, and just everything that is mine goes in this section right here. And as you can see, it is just a complete disaster. I have stuff everywhere. Oh my goodness, this is just full of stuff. It really needs to be all organized and decluttered. I just can't find myself in here anymore, and I've been putting it off for so long because I was so busy with school. So now that I am done school, this finally has to get done. So here we have everything. I can't believe I shoved all this stuff in that little space. But now I need to decide what I'm keeping, what I am throwing because it's expired, or what just doesn't belong in there and it's gonna have to go somewhere else. I think I'm gonna start with the bamboo jars. So here we have all of my supplements. Now I need to categorize them by the things that I'll be using every day, and in here I'll put the things that I don't necessarily use every day. I know this seems like a lot, but there's a lot of stuff that I've purchased myself, but then there's actually a lot of things that companies have sent me, which I am so grateful for. Guys, the pantry is done. one. Are you ready to see it? 1, 2, 3. Ah, there it is. Oh my goodness, you guys. How different does this look than how it did an hour ago? I thought I would kind of explain to you guys the little system I have going on. Over here on this side, we have a lot of them in some bamboo glass jars. And then over here, we have this Lazy Susie. I forget what this is called. By the way, I will have everything I use to organize linked down below in the description box. It's all from Amazon. Basically, this top drawer are the things that I use the most out of everything in this pantry. I reach for these things literally every single day. And then down here, back there, I put my cutting boards and my cooking books. Here I have the jars that I always use. So in here there are so many things I like to make in those mason jars. And then here I have these plastic bottles. This is a recent purchase I got from Amazon. Basically, I meal prep my juices in these, so it's amazing because you can take it on the go with you. Next up in here, I put like the spices that I always use. So here I have my Ceylon cinnamon. Then, of course, everything with the bagel seasoning that I got when I went to the States. Now I actually buy refills that aren't from the Trader Joe's brand, but I still kept this bottle and I just keep refilling it. Next, we have my favorite, my chlorophyll. Next up, we have this right here, which is pumpkin pie spice. I know this is a little bit random, but I use this a ton when I'm cooking for fall. That's why I like to just keep it here. Next up, we have all of my teas that are finally organized. I have a little space here to add a new one. And then in here, I have my pink Celtic sea salt. And that is it for my healthy pantry. I'm so happy with it. It is going to be so easy to get everything I need now. Oh my goodness, you guys, I can't even explain to you how hard it was to use this pantry before. Now it is time to tackle that spice cabinet. I will show you guys a before. So basically, some need to be refilled, and then there's also some that have been there over a year ago, so those are gonna have to go, and basically I'm gonna replace them with other things that we'll actually use. So I laid out all the spices in front of me, so now let's just go ahead and get started. So that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. It felt good to just pick up the camera and vlog for you guys. I really want to vlog more often this year, so stay tuned for that. Like this video if you enjoyed it and if you want to see more vlogs from me, and of course don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll just catch you in the next one. Bye! Thank you.